Independence is a golden bridge, this bridge that is free to construct an independent Indonesian society that is dashing, strong, healthy, eternal and lasting. For our nation, Indonesia, even with sharp bamboo. All of you brothers and sisters are ready to die to defend our homeland, Indonesia. At that time the Indonesian nation was ready to be independent. Independent Indonesia is only a bridge, even though the golden bridge across the bridge is a two-way street, one to the world with the same taste, one to the world with the same lament. When a nation is able to defend its country with its own blood, with its own flesh, at that time that nation is ripe for independence. Somehow that unity was achieved, somehow it looked like that unity, but the ship that brought us to Indonesia independence was the unity ship. Around Indonesian nationality. Not Javanese nationality, not Sumatran nationality, not Borneo, Sulawesi, Balinese or other nationalities, but Indonesian nationality, which together form the basis of one national state. This country, the Republic of Indonesia, does not belong to a group, does not belong to a religion, does not belong to an ethnic group, does not belong to certain customs, but belongs to all of us from Sabang to Merauke. The container, which is called the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia, consists of various religions, ethnicities and customs so that it is intact, not cracked.